We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. Wonder who it's from? Hello everyone, this is Kang Dupet and we are here today for another unboxing video. So I would like to thank FSP for sending this power supply. So we have here the FSP Hydro G Pro 850 watt, that is 80 plus gold. So it comes in 650 watt, 750 watt, 850 watt, and 1000. So we currently have here the 850, and let's get with the unboxing video right now. Anyway, so everything you need to know about the product is right here at the back. Features including the ports. So this power supply is modular. Right here at the side, as you can see, the power cord type is KR type. The performance is here at the bottom, and on the side we have here different languages that I can't understand. So let's unbox it now. So given that power supplies are actually heavy, since power supply is one of the main component or hardware that you need for your computer. Anyway, ooh, so it comes with a lot of stickers. Hydro G Pro. You can choose from red to or green, red or green. And we have here the manuals and power supply user guide, which we can set aside. Under the phone is the power supply itself. So let's look at it later and check out the other stuff first. So we have here the power cable and a pouch consisting of course, the modular cables over here. Ta-da! Anyway, so we have here a carry-on pouch with the FSP logo over here and some screws for the power supply mounting. Now let's look at the product itself. So it's still sealed. And voila, we have here the Hydro G Pro power supply and 850 watt. As you can see, we have here the on and off button or switch for the echo mode and on and off switch for the actual power supply. It says here power never ends. Thanks so much FSP. And here on the side is the Hydro G Pro logo. You can change this blue one to the red one or the green one. Honeycomb pattern exhaust. You can see the insides of the power supply. Interesting. Aside from that, we have here, of course, the ports. It is smooth and rough at the same time. I can't explain, but it feels so good. It's not that type of matte finish that is very smooth. It's kind of rough. It has texture. That's what I want to say. That's what I want to say. And here at the top is the ever so big exhaust fan, and I'm pretty sure that this is silent. Anyway, well, that's my unboxing of this FSP Hydro G Pro 850 watt power supply. I hope you enjoy this, and let's move on with the montage.